We are back again live here at the command center of the JW Solar USA. Folks, I just want to give you updates, and today I took a little break from the setup here and with all the work. And guys, I would just want to give you updates was the system is doing at the moment. Oh, we just missed that. The system went to rest. Some of the other loads just kick off. Guys, from yesterday, you saw the voltage we started with, and the voltage didn't go anywhere. Look at that. We'll be running all day. But guess what? What happened? The amp hours drop. And let's go into BMK battery monitor kit. That's going to be on 5. And push enter. It says ready, then dial. So we took amps from the batteries. We were sitting at 100%, and now we are 87%. So guys, you see the voltage never went anywhere, but the amps we took from the batteries. That's the good thing about lithium batteries, because you see what is taken out from the system is a 40 amp hours. So the entire battery bank is a 300 amp hours on 24 volt with the with the Volkswagen eGolf LG Chem batteries right here, made in Japan. So I have 4 of them in parallel and 4 in parallel series. So 4 batteries in parallel, 4 in parallel in series. So, and guys, I just want to inform you that there is no solar present at that time. All these numbers I'm showing you here, we were running strictly off grid and no solar backup at all today, guys. So just want to report live from the station here at JW Solar USA, live in Minnesota. And this is how the system is running. It's running effectively, efficiently for a 24 volt system compared to a 48 that seems to be the one of the most efficient and reliable system. But I'm telling you, my 24 volt system is awesome and is standing there with me running the house live here at the command center. The new command center, the 2020 command center of the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching, guys. So these are all the numbers. So we're sitting at 30.76. That's the minimum. And the maximum was 32.55 volt DC. That was the max. And the SOC was 100%. So guys, these are the thing we took already 40 out of 300 amp hours, and these batteries are a 75 amp hour max, 12 volts. These are 12 volt, and we sitting at looking at here is a 8.55 kilowatt hour of lithium storage. This is all built by JW Solar USA. And guys, this is just outstanding. I never joke with this rack. You know, I'm just still hoping that I can able to come across this. And I'm telling you guys, check the internet and see if you can find the Volkswagen eGolf lithium batteries. And when you Google that, you're going to see JW Solar USA live on the flying thing, because some people probably have the batteries, but I've never seen any videos of that. But thank God, and we, as this channel, subscribers of this channel, followers of this channel, make it possible. And with all you guys view and sharing this video here, and makes that these batteries are out there and they can able to find us that the JW Solar USA and its crew, with all the subscribers, viewers, and all the good friends across the globe, America, Europe, Asia, Africa, all the continents, Middle Eastern countries there, and Australia, and all the good friends, the Caribbean, Canada, Mexico. Like, I can go and go and go, especially the origin of this batteries, which is Japan, which is Japanese made batteries. I want to thank them all for making this credible batteries. So this is what I did, and put a rod all the way and string these batteries, and it stands like a rock. It's not going anywhere. It's solid. I love these batteries. That's why I don't mess with them. And I recommend them big time. If you can find them, you know where to find them. You have a source of that, let me know. And I'll be part of that plan to get more of these batteries. If you want to know more about these batteries and specifications, go to my Volkswagen eGolf um, lithium batteries on my playlist. You can see all the specification and data on all this, because I'm promoting this battery big time. You happen to find that card, kidnap that car. If you have to find that car, kidnap that car, buy it, tear up the batteries, run them, because these are the batteries that are designed specifically 12 volt. If you're 12 volter, this is designed exactly 14.4, almost 16.4 max charge. So look on the specs there. I don't want you to quote me because it has been a while when I did a review on this, but these are the perfect 12 volt configuration. 12 perfect 12 volt batteries. These are 8 of them I own. They cost me a lot of money, but I didn't regret it at all. From what I've gained from these batteries, lithium batteries made by used by Volkswagen eGolf, made in Japan. Awesome batteries. Awesome. Awesome. I won't trade them for nothing, you know. But anyway, I just want to give a report, and this is my report with my system. The 12 volt is the one, the 24 volt is the one that we're running right now. And the 48 volt, which is the Outback, that's going to be another makeup. I'm going to rebuild that, and it's going to be almost identical, or almost going to be look like this. I'll try my best to do what I can do. Machines are expensive, but I want to keep all my machines really like a new makeover, like I said, for the 2020. And we getting back here, and we're going to be coming really hard and nice and cute for all my followers and all my subscribers, United States, across the globe, everywhere. Thank you. I appreciate you guys, and you guys are welcome. If you haven't been a subscriber and you think you just came across my channel by mistake, or maybe it's a refer or recommend by another after a video has been played, I just want you to say thank you, and make sure anytime you come subscribe. Love you guys all. Bye for now. Live from Minnesota.